Hi there, future teacher, and welcome to the second lesson of our Assessment of Professional Knowledge test prep series that's going to get you totally prepared for exam day. Now, if we have a look all about this exam, we know that there are 3 different domains. And in the first series, this first lesson, we talked about the child development, diversity, and learning, as well as assessment and instruction. However, the official testing agency has created 3 separate domains, but for the Teacher Preps preparation program, we've combined these 3 into 2 to make preparing and passing even more simple for you. In this lesson, I'm going to show you a video that's going to cover learning environment and the professional environment all together. So if you haven't already, make sure you click the blue button labeled Get Test Prep Now to get instant access to our all-access test prep for your teacher certification exam. Without further ado, I'm going to click the login button and we're going to go inside the test prep to the Assessment of Professional Knowledge exam. Let's go here to our page, scroll down to our test prep links, and in this video, we're going to be covering the professional environment. Now we have the video that's up above, the overview, the vocabulary, and the study guide right down below that's written in a bullet point, non-fluff style, so you can get prepared easier. You don't have to read pages and paragraphs of information, but instead, we've labeled things in a nice, neat, and organized manner. Now, as always, every page of our test prep comes with ways to check your understanding. So here we have our word bank, where you can input the correct terminology based off the sentences that you read. And then, as always, the best way to prepare for a standardized test is to take timed practice tests. So make sure you do this after we watch the video all about professional environment for teachers. Enjoy this video.
Welcome to this teacher certification exam preparation lesson, where you will learn about the professional environment of an elementary school teacher, focusing on collaboration and communication with families, community engagement, and the ethical and legal responsibilities that come with the role. Stick around until the end, because this session is designed to help you master this material for test day. Let's start with collaborating and communicating with families by first discussing developing partnerships, which come in the form of parent volunteers to participate in classroom activities and offer workshops. But how about effective communication? Well, when taking your exam, make sure to look for answer solutions such as sending regular updates, using newsletters, emails, or a class website to keep families informed about classroom activities and learning tips, using other electronic communication tools such as messages and apps, as well as making sure that all messages are accessible and inclusive by providing translations and considering accessibility for families with limited digital access. Next up, let's list the ways to conduct effective conferences, starting with preparation. Have specific discussion points ready, including academic and social behavior progress. Always use active listening. Engage empathetically with parents, valuing their input and perspectives. And have actionable plans. Conclude with clear, realistic plans for both teacher and parents to support the student. Moving on when it comes to professional collaboration and community engagement. Look for answer solutions on your teacher certification exam that provide supportive relationships with colleagues, as well as ensuring the curriculum meets all students' needs through integrated lesson planning with your colleagues. When taking your teacher certification test, be ready to answer questions about professional ethics and legal responsibilities. In doing so, always adhere to legal and ethical guidelines such as the educator's rights and responsibilities to maintain a safe, inclusive, and equitable environment for all students, as well as the confidentiality and educational equity to protect student information and ensure equal access to educational resources, and also mandated reporting to fulfill legal obligations to report any signs of abuse or neglect. Your state teacher certification exam promotes professional development and self-reflection. So look for answer solutions, where the teacher in the question participates in professional learning communities and uses self-assessment and reflection. Great job with this lesson, future teacher. Now, log into your teacherpreps.com account to take the comprehensive practice test to make sure you are fully equipped to ace your exam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.